To trade pre-market on thinkorswim, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Trade tab. From there, select the stock you want to trade and click on the Buy or Sell button to open an order ticket. In the order ticket, select Pre-Market as the session and choose your desired order type, such as market or limit. For a market order, your trade will be executed at the current pre-market price. For a limit order, your trade will be executed when the price reaches your specified limit. Next, enter the number of shares you want to trade and review your order details carefully. It is essential to understand that pre-market trading involves higher risks due to lower liquidity and wider spreads. Before placing your order, make sure you have sufficient buying power in your account and that you understand all the associated risks. Once you have confirmed your order details, click the Submit button to place your trade. You can also use thinkorswim's conditional orders to automate your pre-market trades. For example, you can set a condition to buy a stock when it reaches a certain price in pre-market hours. This way, you can take advantage of pre-market movements without having to constantly monitor the market. It is crucial to stay informed about market news and events that may impact pre-market trading. Keep an eye on your positions and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps and being aware of the risks, you can effectively trade pre-market on thinkorswim and potentially capitalize on early market movements.